Namaskar children, welcome to geography class. You know that we are on the chapter number 3 population composition of book part A, in which we had discussed about in our previous lecture we had discussed about age sex age structure, in which we had discussed about different age group people. So in which in now today we are going to discuss about our next topic, that is age sex pyramid. It's very important topic for you all to understand. Look children, first it is important for you to know the meaning of this age sex pyramid. It is related to the, you can see the structure which I had drawn here, which is mentioned. Look at the diagram. Okay, you are having this kind of pyramid, or why we call it pyramid, because look at the condition of male and female quantity. So इसको जब हम बनाते हैं तो इस just like a form of pyramid, इसलिए हम इसे age sex pyramid group को represent करते हैं. अब what is there in this group? इस group में है क्या? Look at here in the figure. Male and female are two categories which I had told you in sex ratio. It is very important because on the basis of these two categories we had decided all the things in population composition. So look at this group. I had drawn a straight line, vertical line, which is showing the age group of people 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 and above group. Okay, you know that in the maximum children which are belong from young or new population, you can call it young or new population, are there in 0 to 10, or you can include 20 age group. Now whenever you are moving up, then you can see here the population which is more than 40 or 50 or 60 years old, they are known as elder population. So according to the quantity or the data of an area, we have mentioned this kind of figure. So age sex pyramid shows the male and female, number of male and female of an area with the help of this straight vertical line. Okay, now come to first one, that is expanding population. What is the meaning of expanding population? You know, I think you can understand the meaning of expand. That means population has been increased. You can see this diagram. This pyramid shows the new birth of the newborn young population is maximum, and the death rate also is maximum in that area. It means birth rate and death rate more, both of them higher. Maximum population is lowest age group. Okay, and you can see here the lowest age group means 0 to 25. You can see we can take this kind of data, and the maximum, you are looking this diagram. Any graphical representation of this age group is maximum. But when you are moving up, that means new born होने वाले लोगों की संख्या और मरने वाले दोनों की संख्या में ज्यादा difference नहीं है. Both are higher. That means expanding population is generally you can see in less developed countries. आप less developed country में expanding population देख सकते हैं. So the larger share of youth population is there in the group of 0 to 25, or you can include 30 also. Maximum age group. And when you are moving for the higher age group, that means number of death rates is also being high in this group. Reason behind that, low life expectancy, minimum to the top due to the low life expectancy, you can say. In that why this reason have a large share of youth population as well as large share of the old population. That means in expanding population, birth and death rate both are higher. So this is the first point of expanding population, or same thing you had studied in demographic structure. Next one is constant population. So you can see here this diagram is just like a bell-shaped diagram. What is the meaning of this bell-shaped? Okay, you can see here I had mentioned 0 to 15 age group of people. 0 to 15 and over that 15 to 50, or you can say 55 age group people, and more than there on the top. That means elderly population. That means in this constant population, birth rate is little bit less as the death rate, or you can say both are equal. That means the death rate and the birth rate always equal, or you can say little bit birth rate is little bit down as comparison to the death rate. So in this group, Jani, you can see here this is the low birth rate showing 0 to 15, that age group. Okay, this age group shows the small kind of low birth rate, because and when you are moving upwards, first stage you have studied the demographic transition, first stage of demographic transition, in which low birth rate and broad death rate. Okay, in this group you can see broad bulk of that area. You can see in this figure 50 to 60, this shows broad bulk show higher life expectancy. There is reason, that means the people, those who are having higher growth rate, or you can say they are having you can see this diagram. it shows that the age sex pyramid, we can take an example of Australia country, where the percentage of male and female is almost the same and remain constant in younger age group. So the population of that means the population of the Australia is little bit constant of this reason. So you can see this figure and understand the elderly population is higher as comparison to the birth rate. So but that people, it shows little bit it should be equal or you can say it's constant. Okay, ना तो कोई चीज बहुत हायर है ना बहुत रेट है. इसका रीजन ये हो सकता है कि दे आर हैविंग अ शो हायर लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी ऑफ दिस एज ग्रुप. इसके कई रीजंस भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द कांस्टेंट पॉपुलेशन व्हेन द बर्थ रेट और डेथ रेट इज बीइंग इक्वल और बर्थ रेट इज लिटिल बिट लेस टू द डेथ रेट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज इट इज नोन एज डिक्लाइन पॉपुलेशन. आई थिंक यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस वर्ड डिक्लाइन. इट शोइंग डिक्लाइन मीन्स the population is decline in that areas. You can take some examples of Japan or you can take example of Germany also. In these countries the less death rates and the less birth rate, यानी ना तो वहाँ birth rate बहुत ज्यादा है और ना ही death rate बहुत ज्यादा है, because in these countries the population are not having so much time or you can say they are busy to maintaining the quality of their life. So this is the condition. This type of pyramid depicts a declining population. Okay, it is an indication of developed country. For example, I had told you, so in countries having the type of pyramid, there is a zero and you can say negative growth rate of population. So I have mentioned here what is the reason that the population, those who are having 60 years or above age group, they are having a better life expectancy. That means we can say there what is the reason behind that, because there are good health facilities. That's why the population of this age group is good. That means यहाँ तो वहाँ death rate बहुत ज्यादा होती है और ना ही वहाँ birth rate बहुत ज्यादा है, because the people are busy in their own life or they are maintaining the life quality. So this is the reason in these country the less birth rate. Or we are having example of Japan, they are not giving birth so many birth because they are improving their life qualities. So these are 4 example you can see which I had told you. First one is related to expanding population where the birth rate and death rate both are higher. Then I had told you about the constant bell rate जहाँ पर ना तो birth rate बहुत ज्यादा है ना the death rate, both are equal or little bit birth rate is a bit less. And what is next? Declining population in which the less birth rate or the less death rate. So these I had told you the description of the age sex pyramid.